Your good name, please. What are you? Are you in government service or private service? What is the name of your school? What is your teaching subject? What is your qualification? How long have you been teaching in this school? What is the strength of students in your school? What do you think about your school? Is it a good school? Do you like teaching job? Do you like government job or private job? What do you think about spiritual education? Do you like teaching job? Please tell me some good qualities of a teacher. Can you easily handle the class? What type of nature do you have? What is the difference between government and private teacher? Do you believe in corporal/physical punishment? What type of punishment do you give to your students when they make mischief? What type of problem do you face in the class, especially in your subject? Thank you.